Want to protect your online privacy and save big at the same time? In this video, I'll show you how to get a Surfshark VPN discount using an exclusive coupon code and save instantly on your subscription. Stick till the end because I'll also show you exactly how to apply the coupon at checkout. Surfshark is a premium VPN service trusted by millions worldwide. It helps you stay private online, secure your internet connection, and access content without restrictions. Whether you're browsing, streaming, working remotely, or using public Wi-Fi, Surfshark keeps your data encrypted and protected. Here are some of the top features that make Surfshark stand out. Unlimited device connections with one account. High-speed servers in multiple countries. Strict no-logs policy for complete privacy. Clean web feature to block ads, trackers, and malware. Works great for streaming and everyday browsing. All these features make Surfshark a solid choice for both beginners and advanced users. Surfshark offers multiple pricing plans, including monthly, yearly, and long-term plans. The longer plans give you the best value, especially when you combine them with a coupon code. Now let me show you how to select a plan and apply the discount. First, select your preferred Surfshark plan and click on Get Started. On the checkout page, you'll see a field to enter a promo code. Here, enter the coupon code Techie20. Once applied, you'll see the discount instantly reflected in the total price. Complete your payment, and that's it. You've successfully saved money on Surfshark. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more verified deals and tech savings. And if the coupon code doesn't work or you have any questions, drop a comment below. I personally check and respond. Thanks for watching, and enjoy secure browsing with Surfshark.